Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to share the first chart that I'll be looking at this coming Monday morning just before the market opens. It's Suncor Energy, ticker SU. Now, as you know, energy stocks have been on a run. If you look at XLE, it's in a nice, well-defined uptrend above all the major moving averages. Oil services also looking pretty good here. Above all the major moving averages. Yeah, whipped around a little yesterday, but still held up okay. And so energy is still a sector that I think you want to pay attention to in this market. Now, this chart pattern is beautiful. I actually am a little upset that I didn't buy this stock today because I saw it after the close. But it's a nice uptrend. Above all the major moving averages, that checks a box. I also like the fact that we have support right around that 21-day exponential period moving average. That's the gray line here on the chart. I can also draw a little bit of a downward sloping trend line here, so we have a clear level to trade against. I want to see Suncor Energy get above and stay above this downward sloping trend line. Now today, like I mentioned, support on the 21-day exponential period moving average, and it did it on a nice pickup in volume here. So the stock, in my opinion, is set up for a potential leg higher. But it's got to prove it to us. It's got to break above, and it's got to do it on volume. So that's what I'll be looking for this coming Monday. And I think you should definitely add this to your watch list as well. So I hope that video is helpful. And if you want to find out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com, click the link, and we'll see you on the other side. Have a great weekend.